When I was 25, I had no issues. So my mother-in-law and my husband went to an astrologer they knew, Hareshwar. He was very famous Hareshwar in Bombay. So Hareshwar said she's 25 or so, but at the age of 35, she'll have many children, but not of her husband. And he also said that she'll do something which is very rare. So my mother-in-law all the more thought Kaula Frankar. My husband laughed. So that's it, the starting of Helen Keller's.
Communication is a bridge, BRIDGE, bridge. Okay, bridge means to connect two people. Yes, one person explain and other person receive information.
We started in 1977, and it was Behrouz's courage, conviction, and just absolute faith that she would be able to do something for deaf-blind. Because before that, she was a teacher for the deaf, and there was a school where they did not admit these deaf and blind children. So she took it up as a challenge. She left the job, and she said, "Why not?"
So people said, Beros, if you resign, where will you go? That's not the point. The point is, I cannot be in a place where I cannot be what I would like to be. Then I started doing teacher training course at the university level. And there I met trained teachers. They said, Beros, we'll start our own. So in the house we started the school for deaf and deaf-blind children.
The basic thing, the very mission was education, because she always said every child is educable. My sweetie pie. आता इकडे, huh? हे बघ. हे बघ.
This time to the left also she did.
Huh. Yes, left she did well this time. He look at her eyes. My God. My God. You track pretty well.
Abba बसली. आबा कुठे गेली? आबा कुठे? आबा कुठे? आबा मोठा बॉल आला. आबा पुश कर ना पायाने बॉल. पायाने पुश कर. ढकल सगळे.
Come on. Yeah, you need to work. Yes, that's good. That's good. That's good.
दिव्या हे बघ तुझ्या पायावर बघ काय घातलं दीदीने सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट
Little things, little joys of life, little achievements the parents learn to appreciate. There was a child where when mother came, she said, I said, do you talk to her? Do you sing? She said, but she doesn't respond. What's the point? I tried a lot. But she turns away. She doesn't really appreciate. Then I feel very sad, so I don't. Poor child had the central vision loss. The central area she couldn't see. So all she was trying to turn around to adjust in a way where she could see the mother in the best possible way. What is so funny about she? Sheila finished? Ah, good job.
Every therapy, he's improved. I've been doing therapy for him for the last 4 months, but I see a lot of improvement in him, and he's become more attentive and he's responding better. And I'm sure he'll do very well here. And he's a very happy child.
We started IEP, what we call Individual Educational Plan. So it will be all need-based, looking into the family's need, looking into the child's need. We will make a curriculum for each child. Behrouz realized that in the case of children with deaf blindness, it was very important to give them a means to communicate. That is where total communication came into being in India.
बघून सांगायचं मला बघ काय काय आहे भरपूर काय काय आहे काय आहे रे हे काय आहे टोपी
Total communication is everything and anything that helps the child to express himself, like objects, pictures,
ये क्या है गाड़ी ध्रुव गाड़ी में जाता है ना
gestures, signs, speech.
ई
बरोबर काय बोलायचंय 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 केळ पपई पपई बरोबर चिक्कू चिक्कू बोल ची हाँ चिक्कू चिक्कू व्हेरी गुड आंबा अप्पा व्हेरी गुड आंबा अप्पा चिक्कू 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 बरोबर चिक्कू शाबाश शाबाश अजिंक्य
Our strength is our teachers. Most of them that we know are so committed, and to train a deaf-blind child is a Herculean task, according to me.
हेलो 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 दुर्गेश हेलो प्रियंका हेलो प्रियंका हेलो दीक्षा हेलो यश
We have students, they are having deaf blindness. Apart from that, additional disability. Many of them have deaf blindness plus motor disability, cognitive difficulties. This is actually the most challenging group. We teach them to take care of daily living skills that we call as ADL skills.
Very good. कैसे बना रही है? Sandwich. Very good. Very good. क्या करना है?
What does a child require? A child requires education. Child requires hunger to be protected. It requires a roof and a love. Never send a child away. Never ever.
तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो जो खिल सके कल वो फूल हम हैं तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं जो खिल सके कल वो फूल हम हैं तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो
So, Panda was very, very, very sad.
खाते 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 हम लोग यहाँ आए अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा कुछ और रसायन मिलता है ना ये क्या है छोटी आंत
Deaf child with deafness will see you signing. a child with vision impairment also, or a total blindness, how will he see you? So you have to sign in his hand.
Center. Center. Second is, yes, western.
So this talking in the hands, tactile sign language, it was there in Western countries, which Behrouz brought in India, is the very ultimate we aim for each child.
Now, my question, you don't have speech, but still you communicate. How? For our different needs, we show different expressions. Baby show, yes, crying, different expressions, can understand, can remember, yes, true. Pradeep is telling that babies cry and also show different expressions.
We were the first one to start deafblind education in India and Southeast Asia. And today it's a great boon. Our students can go and communicate with the outside world. We were the first one to start a computer education program for the deafblind. Again, that was a pioneering project.
Where we have all educational material to be printed, human anatomy, map of India, details regarding so many things that the child would normally learn in a school. Here we see that the deaf-blind child is completely acquainted with different subjects and topics.
I lost my vision at 12 years. No school. And no school was Kolkata for blind people along with deafness. My parents brought me here in school and took admission for me, and I left my deaf school in Kolkata and I started staying in Mumbai without my parent. I learnt Braille and language independently with teacher.
See, rehabilitation of a deafblind is always a challenge. In every community, there are high functioning and low functioning people. So the high functioning deafblind, yes, they are computer literate, they can operate computers on their own, they can communicate using the computer. Those kind of people, there is a possibility of getting employed, but till date, no corporate has come forward and accepted the challenge of employing a deafblind person.
What is your dream? We are binding book, okay, book binding factory. At home you want to start. First on small scale I will start a small book binding business, and then slowly I will grow my business. Because that machine's cost is very high and I cannot buy that machine. I dream, I think slowly, initially, slowly I will grow it bigger.
See, the community at large should look at inclusion of these people rather than excluding them from the society, and try to give them more and more opportunity to prove themselves.
I've never met a deaf person before coming to Helen Keller, but to me they've always had this a lot of potential in them, untapped potential. For example, a normal person will have 5 senses, so one sense less, it makes all those other senses increase, and they can see so much, receive so much data, light, information, color. The brain cannot process all at once. So this is the type of potential that I unlock in deaf people.
Deaf, yes, there are deaf people who are working in hotel industry, who have been working in jewelry making or jewelry designing. We train them in making jewelry, making candles, making some gift items. We try to help them raising resources by selling the products which are made by them.
The difficulty for deaf-blind to get a job is that the person who wants to employ won't know how to communicate.
They will always need a support system.
There were times. I won't say it was easy going. It was all the way uphill. But I realized that as we proceeded, we grew. People gave in to us. This person, that person. Then, so the gift is coming.
Aditya Birla Center has been financed way back in 1998.
The Helen Keller Institute for Deaf and Deafblind is an amazing institute. The kind of work, the difference they make to these children and adults is soul touching. This institute is indeed unique. It works on the philosophy of integrated care. We set up a Center for Helen Keller Institute in Mumbai. This was in memory of my husband, Shri Aditya Birla, who, like me, felt most humbled by what is being done to bring some joy into the lives of these differently abled. I cannot imagine handicaps more severe than these. Over the last 3 decades, the Institute has rendered yeoman service to the deaf and deafblind, and many with multiple disabilities. I think if all of us in our own small way reach out to this institute, we will strengthen their hands and their reach even more. One final thought that has stayed with me, which I would like to share with you, is look and think beyond yourself.
See, we are running a teacher training program. We train 25 teachers every year. Teachers from outside Mumbai, they come, they get trained, they go back to their state, they start a program there.
We go around the continent training more people, getting them ready to teach more children. Today, very proudly, I can say that anywhere in South Asia, anything to do with deafblind, somewhere, Helen Keller has definitely touched.
See, the minute you accept a person, you enrich that person. The spiritual growth says unconditional love. Make no conditions. Make no expectations.